Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the tools that I use for my sketching. So let's get straight into it. The very first one is the Stedler Lumograph 24 set pencils, and it comes with a very nice metal casing along with a wide range of grades ranging from the softest 12B to the hardest 10H. Next comes the Stedler Lumograph Black Series, again come with a nice metal casing, and these pencils are super cool. They just do not reflect light just like the normal graphite pencils. Then comes the Camlin charcoal pencils, comes in a set of 3 ranging from medium, hard and soft. The next one is the charcoal sticks, and I basically use these for my backgrounds, for the darkest backgrounds of my sketch. The next one is the charcoal powder, and it's very useful for me as it gives a very realistic and natural feel to the sketch. Then comes the paper stumps, basically used for blending. We have multiple tools for blending, like earbuds and tissue paper, also we can use for a nice smooth shading and blending. Then I have these erasers with me. First one is the electric eraser, then the Tombow Mono Zero eraser, and a kneadable eraser, basically for highlighting and giving a very realistic and adding a soul to the sketch. These are very useful. A highlight is a must in a sketch. Then comes the paint brushes. Again, they are just used for blending purpose. And we have a wide range of blending tools that I've already mentioned. So you can use whichever tool you like, whatever suits, whatever feels best for you, you can use that. This one is the mechanical pencil. Again, a very useful tool. So, yes, that's it. That's all about my tools. And thank you so much for joining me today.